Hey everyone, we have an Uber and Lyft delivery driver training series. That's right, you heard it. I'm not going to repeat it. We have new videos that are going to start coming out August 20th at 7 p.m. and every Friday thereafter by 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have a live video feed that we're going to be doing. It's going to be interactive and we want you guys to be there. On August 20th at 7 p.m., you need to be there. Whether you've got 1 day, 10 years, thinking about looking at going into Uber or Lyft, whether you drive or deliver, it doesn't really matter. Grubhub, Postmates, you name it. You work in the gig economy. Come join us on our channel. Let's grow together. Let's make the best of what we got. Let's fix our ratings if you're failing in your ratings. Let's come together as a team and let's put this together and help you increase your ratings, increase those tips, and make more money, folks. Join us again August 20th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can check out the information below. Go to butchieboom.com. Otherwise, we'll see you then. And by the way, if you know somebody that drives for Uber or Lyft or whatever, tell them about this commercial. butchieboom.com, butchieboom.com, butchieboom.com. All the information is right there. Thank you so much.